Okay, now I made these two coils. Both of these coils, this one and this one, is made out of 19 SWG wire. Due to lack of funds, I do not have enough money to buy the copper wire. So that's why this wire is made of aluminium. Aluminium wire is readily available. It's quite cheap within my pocket range. So I bought a roller. You can see it's like that. I buy one. Now it is near to its end, but I have some more laying back in my garage. I've made these two coils. With, each coil has 150 turns. I wanted to show both of these coils because this coil is being wound up on this diaphragm. This one, I have a winder. I made this winder all by myself using the simple wood and a piece of plastic, a screw, and there's a piece of wood in the middle. Here we have the metal plate which can support it. So when I kept this, I made this coil, and when I am using this piece of wood, it's kind of rectangular shaped, so I came with this coil. What I've noticed is that this coil, the diameter of this coil is a lot bigger than the other one. I will show you. The diameter of this coil is about 5 millimeters. 5 centimeters. But this one is only 4.5, something like that, 4.5. So in order to place, I've tested both these coils with this alternator, with the setup that I have. I have hooked up some hard drive magnets onto a metal plate which is connected at the other end with this drill, and it rotates. I don't know, I do not have any RPM meter or anything, but I suppose it's I have adjusted the speed. It has a speed adjuster along with this button, and with that I kept it constant. Approximately what I suppose it would be 500 to 600 RPMs. On 500 to 600 RPMs, both these coils are producing roughly 1.9 to 2 volts per coil. So this coil is also producing 2 volts, the same voltage that this coil is producing. To keep more coils, I need little smaller diameter coils, so I'll be making these ones instead of this one. And I would be needing about, as I know I have 2 volts per coil, so I'll be needing about 6 coils, and 6 coils in front of these magnets. The starter would be a plywood piece, a round plywood piece. I already made one right here, so I'll be placing the coils on this round piece of plywood, and I'll be placing about 6 coils, and I'll be also winding it as with the delta configuration. I will try it with the delta and with the star. I will see which one suits me. I'll be making that. After, when it is successful, I'll just do a few more experiments. Actually, what I'm intending to do is, I have an engine laying right over here. Let me show it to you. It's out here. I'm laying this 125cc engine, and I'm intending to make an alternator which could run with the help of this engine, or maybe a smaller one, which could produce enough energy, which could charge. I have these batteries. I don't know, it's a bit dark. You'll be able to see them or not. I have these 2 battery banks, 150 amps each, 12 volt lead-acid battery, and I wanted to charge them with the help of a very small engine. Instead of a huge engine, I want to run it with a smaller engine. And as these axial flux aerial coil alternators are very light, need very little power to run, therefore I'm intending to make one. In the same context, I'm doing these smaller scale experiments to reach to my destination goal. I would also tell you guys one more thing. in the beginning I was using single magnets, but they were not that much thick. So I've stacked them up on one another. You see, these are 3 magnets, 1, 2, 3, and these are 2 magnets of thicker. So they each magnet is about about 1 centimeter wet, with a 1 centimeter wet. It's pretty good. The singular magnets were not doing that good. I also made another coil with a very smaller gauge of wire, this one. These are about 438 turns, and this single coil is giving me, I forgot. Oh yeah, this single coil is giving me 8 volts on the same constant RPM. On the same RPM where this coil is giving me 2 volts. But I need a lot of power, so instead of amps. Oh yes, there's one more thing I would like to add. I've connected this is a smaller electric bulb. It's a 12 volt, 25 watt headlight bulb, a motorcycle headlight bulb. So I connected this one, and I have hooked up the clamp meter, and it read about. It didn't, lit up at its full, but it was merely just lighting up the filament of the bulb, and the amps were reading 1.7 amps. So I don't know if it's good or not. I'm not much good in electrical engineering. It was 1.7. It's pretty good enough. With this smaller coil, it was a lot lesser. But with this, the bigger one, it was great. So I'm jumping towards. That's why I used a larger amount of wire, thicker wire. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll keep posting more videos regarding this. The aim of my posting this video is that maybe someone out there doing some experiments, and these experiments that I'm doing might lead to help anybody out there who and could become the base to a larger invention or discovery or something like that. Hoping to make something. Thank you very much for watching my video.